Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased technical analysis. And today a very critical level for the S&P 500 held. That is that 413 level. I got that 413 level right here, the white line right here on my 15-minute chart. And you can see, zooming out a little bit on the 15-minute chart, we had that choppy week that we had, right? But then yesterday we had the breakout of that choppy week above the 413 level. And I thought that if we can get a breakout of the 413 level, we could possibly get a one directional move. First target being 415, then 416.5 above that. But as you can see, we hit 415, but we did not get that one directional move to the upside. Okay, so I was a little bit off. However, my thesis on the two stages of the market still holds because the market, as I mentioned before, does one of two things. It'll trend in a one directional move, or it will chop playing ping pong between levels. Technically speaking, right? Yesterday, we did get the one directional move, all right? And you can see all the way here in the pre-market, all the way in starting with the market open. That's a pretty big move. But overall, it was 410 when market open and it closed around 415-ish. That's a $5 move for SPY. That's not bad. One directional move led to basing, chopping, which was today. So the question is, can tomorrow be one of those trending days? Because like I said, trending days lead to chopping days lead to trending days. So we'll see what happens tomorrow for Friday. Okay, so pretty much my strategy is simple. I'm waiting to see if the 413 level can fail. All right, that will be a false breakout from this day's, from August 3rd's breakout, okay? Look for puts if 413 failed, and we will be going right back into the chop zone, falling right back down to 412, 410-ish, 48.5, and possibly to the lower end of this chop zone, which is 407, which also happens to be my 38.2 retracement level. So basically what I'm saying is puts below 413. Now we can break out of 415 because we got, you can see intraday was tested twice, well, three times, three candles. We got some strong rejection, so we need to see 415 clear to trigger more upside. And if we can get that close above, at least one close above 415 on the 15-minute candle, okay? Bigger the time frame, the better. But look for calls if we can get that breakout of 415, targeting more upside. Now take a look, guys. That 413 served as a strong selling supply zone. Now it served as demand zone. So technically not bearish. All right, now we go to the daily chart and we can target some levels up above. Okay, if we can clear 415, I got the yellow line, 416.5. You can see back in June when we was chopping before that we got this big drop, that 416.5 level served multiple times as a critical resistant level, which we got a false breakout out of it, by the way, with a back test and go as resistant, which set us up to more downside. Okay, so that 416.5 is important. Next level I got above that is my 418-ish level, which is from my fib level from March 2020 low to January 2022 high. You got that right there, 418, 23.6 retracement level. And of course, the other fib level that I'm using is from January 2022 high to June 2022 low. That means the next fib level is the 50% retracement level at 421. Okay, guys, I'm not just making up numbers. I'm just going by the charts. All right, so when do we get bearish? Under 413. When do we get bullish? Above 415. 413 to 415 is the chop zone. Okay, the way I trade chop zones is I identify the range, I enter calls at the lower end of the range, and I enter puts at the high end of the range, which means calls at support, puts at resistance. I don't really like trading chops. I'd rather sit on my hands and wait for the breakout. That's just my opinion, okay? But that's what I got for SPY. You guys got my levels. You got the trade setups. You got the plan. Hopefully you guys do great tomorrow. I'm going to move on to QQQ. And QQQ, I have a 325 target, price target. It came within a few cents of testing it, okay? Big thing to note. We had a level here at 322.5-ish, okay? That's the level that we cleared yesterday. Today we held that level, so not bearish. I need to see 325 cleared. That will put 330 in play. Very critical level there because you see back in April and early May, that level has served 3 times as a critical resistant level. Let's see if we can get a fourth touch, okay? Look for puts below 322.5, targeting lower levels, starting with possibly 318.5. I also have support around 320 as well, okay? So below 322.4, 0.5, look for puts, 320, 318.5, and 315.5 are targets, okay? Above 325, it's bullish, look for calls. I got Tesla here. Now, I talked about how Tesla has been basing just under my 323.5 resistant level, okay? Basing under resistant is not really bearish, guys. It's actually bullish. It just shows that that Tesla isn't strong enough to break through it yet, but it's building strength. And basing under resistance shows the lack of selling pressure from that level. Okay, and today on today's candle, we actually got a close at 925.9, and aftermarket it's going up a little bit. So technically speaking, we did clear that 923.5 level. All right, so for tomorrow, watch out for a false breakout. If Tesla fails to hold to 923.5, that's a false breakout. Look for calls, okay? But as long as it holds, my next price target is up at 940, then the critical one at 949.3, which is my 61.8 retracement. Okay, guys? AMC, last but not least, I mentioned if we can clear 17, we can put 18.3, then 20 in play. All right, we hit the 18.3 level. Today we went as high as 19.75. Got pretty close to that 20 level, but not quite. Close but no cigar. We had earnings today. I don't see the report come out yet. At least TraderView is not showing it, but it's dropping after hours, so possibly maybe it didn't do that good. Okay, but what I can tell you is below 17, I am bearish. Okay, guys, only bullish above 17. Last but not least is the flow sentiment. This is the dark pool order for SPY 414.44 level. That's a very critical level. SPY needs to clear that. Pretty close to my 415 level anyways. So I'm going to filter this for 500K premiums or above. And as you can see, 83% for puts. Very bearish for SPY, okay? Check out QQQ. 93% for puts. Very bearish for QQQ. How about Tesla? Oh, I rolled that wrong. Tesla, 93% in call. So Tesla clearing critical resistant levels. And option flow is still pretty bullish. Okay, does AMC have anything yet? Nope, AMC still has nothing. So that's what I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.